Hello friends, Namaskara. This is called as Tulsi Maadam. Tulsi is the holy basil plant, often called as Vrinda. It's often associated with goddess Lakshmi, used in Ayurvedic medicines. Also, structure mostly with stones or bricks, in which Tulsi is grown, nurtured, and worshipped. So let's begin with Pottu Kollam of Tulsi Maadam. 2, 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just below it again, 5 dots. Leave these two end points, you get 1, 2, 3. Just below it, 1, 2, 3. Again, only once. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now join this straight, this also straight. Join only 2 dots in the left, right also, middle dot, leave this middle dot. Similarly, this dot please join the ends and points. Now join these 3 points. Now you get a square this way, that is diamond shaped. It's a square, tilted one, looks like a diamond. From the end point to this point, you create a design. Here also, you must remember how this line goes. This will be the reverse of that. There, your Tulsi is ready. There is not much space here, otherwise I would have drawn some Tulsis here. Now you can see. This is called shank. Shank means conch. This is Tulsi Maadam Kolam. We did it with 5 points. Below also 5. Set of 5 points. In the middle only 3 points, and created one design. This is Tulsi Maadam. Friends, let's make a Pinnal column with Kolam powder. In Tamil, Pinnal refers to a braid. Like you see, if you see a long-haired woman or a girl, you can say she has got long pinnal. It refers to interlacing of long hair, and we call it a plait. Some call it, pronounce it as plait also. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. This is the easiest of all Pinnal columns. If I darken it, you can see it very well. The same design, if it is repeated, it can be enlarged. to give out a beautiful column design. This is Pinnal because it looks like a plait which is interlocked. Column designs are not just decorative, symbolic meaning. They represent prosperity, good fortune, and welcoming positive energy also. That's what makes it very, very holy. We mainly add rice powder with this for insects. Insects are happy and we also gain some punya along with it. Thank you.